We are celebrating the feast of Saint Patricio. I would like to tell you stories the community already knows about this because every month we have our recollection. And so I always try to tell stories about Patricio. So I have two stories in Patricio. I hope this will help digest your food. First story. Today is, Patricio died today, di ba? September 23, what year? 1968. He died exactly 50 years he received the stigmata. That means stigmata, the wounds on the body of Patricio appeared when? If he died in 1968, the stigmata appeared in what year? Still. 1918. So 1918. Kasi may nataon na ng panahon na. Kasi Tita Min, wala na nataon. Tita Min, nataon na ito Tita Min. So 50 years, exactly. Exactly what happened? When Patricio died, miraculously, the wounds also disappeared. So, for the last 50 years, he carried the wounds of the body, and it was easy, it was said that Patricio would lost one bag of blood every day, because it's really oozing with blood, the wounds. And when he died in 1968, miraculously, the wounds also closed. It was healed. So, I reflected, why is it? This will tell us, can we reflect on that also? And I think this tells us that we cannot, the suffering in this life will never be taken away from us while we are still alive. It will always be there. We cannot wait for the day that we say, Lord, take away this suffering. Lord, I don't want to suffer anymore. As long as we are alive, we will always have that share of the suffering of Jesus. It will only be taken from us the moment we expire. That is what happened to Saint Patricio. And then that's the first story. Ikalawang storya, second is, few days before the death of Patricio, have you heard of the rose, the miracle of the rose? The Patricio connected with the rose? Okay ba? Sige, tiyata. Kini mga members community, malantanan na tayo sa GM. Suntihan na programa. The miracle of the rose. A few days before the death of Patricio, a certain doctor from the place of Father John, dito from sa mga mafia area. From Sicily. Di ba you're from Sicily, Father John? You're Sicilian? A doctor from Sicily visited Patricio 5 days before his death. And that doctor brought with him a gift of the bunch of roses, the Daniel Patricio. And then Patricio received that bunch of rose, and he took one stalk, and he told the doctor, bring this to the Lady of Pompeii. The Lady of Pompeii is found in Napoli. Idana nito. Also, the doctor obeyed Patricio 5 days before the death of Patricio. And he told the sister who was the caretaker of the miraculous Lady of Pompeii, the Lady of Rosary, where the one who propagated that is now Blessed Bartolome Lungo. Now, the lady amid many other roses in front of the image, the miraculous image of the Lady of Pompeii. So it was there, left, and they know that this one stalk of rose came from Padre Pio. 5 days after, September 23, Padre Pio died. And then, few days, all that rose bud that rose put in front of Our Lady also died together. But you know, miraculously, from that dead rose came a new bud of rose. So that was the miracle of that. If you go to the Lady of Pompeii, up to this time, they preserve that. They preserve that stalk, that blossom from the dead flower when Father Pio died. And so the second lesson, the second inspiration, wala mo mga akong nagsilang ng tanaw na doon. You're supposed to eat and just listen. So, the second message is, death is not the end. Death is just the beginning. When somebody dies, something or someone dies or something dies, something another begins. So that's the Fiesta message. Happy Fiesta, and I hope that we'll see each other again next year. And you know, according to Father Beats, there's a bigger place that can accommodate 800. Di ba, Father Beats, no? At the 3rd floor. So, diyan, ato na magpista sunod. Ato i-multiply ni ang ginaghanon. Prepare your knees. Don't worry, there is an elevator. Happy Fiesta and continue to enjoy your meal. Good evening.